Hello ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome. Dana Delboy here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a school management website that has both front end and back end. So this is the front end of the website. I'm going to create this very quickly fast. I'm going to show you how you can do this in this video. So I ensure you watch this video to the very end. We'll create this website that has a front end, and you can see it has about us, it has everything, and basically also this website also have a login. So when your student, your teacher, your parent click on login, they are going to have a portal. So this school is going to have a portal where students can log into and basically do everything that they need to do in their dashboard. So guys, if you're interested in knowing how you can create a school management website just like this as you are seeing on my screen, ensure you watch this video to the very end. So let us jump right into the video fully. The first thing you are going to do is to get a domain and a hosting. So if you know how to do this, you can just skip this part and go to the design fully. So the first thing I'm going to do is get a domain and hosting. So to just come to this website, I'll put the link below. Click on the link and automatically bought here. They can click on buy now. So we're going to get our domain. You can go with this one of 6,916 naira. So if you are in Nigeria watching this video, you have a free.com.ng. This means that you end up paying just 7,000 naira to get your domain and your hosting. So let's say the name of my school is let's say Winners Daily. Is any clear that? Let's say this Winners Daily. I'm going to change this to .com.ng and click on check. So if this name is available, I'm going to go with it. So this is available. So don't worry, with the plan I just select of 6,918 naira, you're going to get this for free. So you're not going to pay this amount. So just click on add to cart. So when you click on add to cart, then you come down here. Down here, hope you can see my console. So down here you see continue. Click on continue. So I'm going to go to the next place. Basically, you just have to they'll give you some details like this. So all you have to money you're going to pay is 6,916 naira to get this. And with this particular hosting, you can create up to 2 websites on it. So just come down here, leave everything the way they are, ensure that you don't select any other thing. Just leave them, and come to this place. You can see continue. See where I'm shaking my console, then click on this continue. So when you click on this continue, it's going to take you to this place. So the only thing I'm going to advise you to do here is to enable this DNS. So this DNS is free. And just enable that. Then click on continue. So when you click on continue, the only amount of money you're going to pay, as I told you earlier, is only for the hosting. You are not going to pay for the domain because the domain is going to be free domain. So this is the amount of money you are going to pay. So when you look at here, you can see your hosting is 6,916 naira every year is per year, and your hosting currently is just 0 naira. But the next year you're going to pay 1,300 naira if you are using .com.ng. But if you're using .com, you pay for that. But if it's .com.ng, .org.ng, so you're going to just if you are creating a school website for Nigeria, so you can use .com.ng. So just click on check out. When you click on check out, you complete your payment. So and you'll be good to go. So I'm not going to check out because I have an account, and I'm just going to go straight into my own account. So immediately you finish creating an account, you let the domain to propagate briefly. Less like like few hours it's going to propagate. So when you finish propagating, the next you're going to do is to log in into your portal like this. So you see your service, you will come to this place here. All you have to do is just locate your cPanel. So click on your cPanel. When you click on your cPanel, then you are going to install WordPress. So we're going to use WordPress to create our site. So because for we to achieve this particular type of website, particular type of school website, we're using WordPress that has both front end and back end. So let me just come here. Then you click on this WordPress managers spectacular. You can see it here. Just click on that. So when you click on that, it's going to load up for you like this. So all you have to do is to come here and click on install. So just click on install. So when you click on install, then you're going to just this option here. You can see this software setup. You can see this option here. Click on this option and ensure that you are selecting HTTPS, and then you have column and / only. Then you're going to select the name of your domain. So if you just register one domain, you only see one domain here. But me, I want to create another domain. So you just register the name of your domain, select your domain. But this place, this indirectory, make sure that there's nothing there. Make sure there is nothing there. So when you are through with that, then you're going to come down here. This site setting, leave it for now. Then this admin setting, just change this admin username, change it to your own name, then change your password. So I'm going to change my password very fast here. I'm going to change my password. Okay, I'm just going to do this. So change your password. Then this admin username, ensure you also change it. Don't leave it as admin, please. It's very important. So when you are doing that, then you see this admin email. Put in your own email. So I'm going to put in my email. Okay, then just scroll down, leave everything, then just click on install. So this email installation details, you can also put your email there. So I'm going to click on install. So when you click on install, this is going to install. You can see it here. It's going to install in that few seconds, and you're good to go. So here you see two. Basically, here you're going to see two. Link. This is the link to your website, and the other one you can see they'll call that administrative URL. So you just click on the administrative URL. When you click on the administrative URL, it will give you access straight to your back end. Then here you can start creating our website. So here we are straight in our back end. So the first thing I'm going to do now to create this particular website is to get a theme. So you come here and click on appearance, click on theme. So when you click on theme is like the framework of our website. We're going to give our website an important framework. Then just come here and click on add new. We want to add a new theme. So the name of the theme we're going to use here we are going to use it's known as Astra, ASTRA. Just press Astra, and this is going to pop up. You can see this first one here, ASTRA. Then click on install. So you are going to install that and also go to activate it. So this will take like a few seconds. It depends on the strength of your network, but it should take a few seconds, maximum a minute for it to just finish installing. So all this is going to be installing straight to your cPanel on your WordPress. So you don't need to go to cPanel. Everything's going to be done here. So okay, let's wait for this to just do. So now that I've successfully installed, click on activate. I'm going to activate it, like giving it to go ahead to start working. So now our website has gotten a theme. So let's check our site now. Let's check our site. So I come here and click on our view site. So this is how our site looks like. Is the WordPress theme that make it to look like this, and we've not started creating anything. So you can decide to delete every other one of these. For example, let me just delete this 2021. Click on this, then just you can delete it or leave it if you want to, but just make things clean. Just delete everyone and leave just extra one, just leave extra one like this. So when you are through with that, the next thing you're going to do, you can look up here. When you look up here, you are going to see this. Thank you for installing Astra. So you can see this get started. So just click on this get started. So we want to this get started is going to enable us to actually get started using templates. So we used I'll cut our website very fast using templates. Okay, guys, so this is going to load up. So if it does not load up, you can try to refresh it. If you're still doing the same thing, don't worry, just press back. So we're going to take care of this. Press back and just okay, guys. After I've pressed back, let me just reduce this thing back to the normal size I want it to be, so that okay, just going to reduce it. Give me some few minutes. Okay, so now I'm just going to come here and click on plugin. You see installed plugin. So click on this installed plugin. When you click on this install plugin, so guys, in this install plugin, you are going to see this starter template. So just click on C library. So you can delete all this one. This one are not important. This arguments and hello dolly, just delete them. They are not important. Then you see this C template, this starter template. Click on this C template. So when you click on this C template, it's going to take you straight to that first part that just drop up. So here, click on build my website. And so when you click on build my website, the next thing you're going to do is to select a page builder. So here I'm going to use Elementor page builder. So this is going to just show me some template that has been built. So templates are like I call it like some front end that's already been designed that we can actually play around to suit you. So you just select your templates. If you are creating school, just search for school, basically search for school. So when you search for school, it's going to open up for you here, and there are some that is premium. It means that for you to get this one, you need to get the pro version of the theme, but we want to stick with the free version of the theme, guys. So just scroll down here. You could search for school. Let's look for plugin. Let's look for templates that is under school. So we have seen school here. So let's look for the one that's actually free, and let's see if we're going to get any template that is under school and that is free. Okay, let's come to this or see or okay premium, or let's see, I'm just saying okay premium. This is a school template. Okay, let me just okay, excuse me, I'm just going to I want to look for one of the templates that I'm going to like. Okay, since we already have this, we can try to stick with this particular one. So this is the one I think that is free here, or anyone you want to do, but don't, this thing is premium, so you cannot use it. So let me just click on this one particular one here. So when you click on any template, so I'm going to select that particular template, and because I'm unable to find this particular template, but let me just go back again and see why I was unable to find it. I'm going to click on back. So let's come back to template, and let's see. Okay, I should see that. Okay, so this is the template. Just come back to school and search template. So you're going to see this template. This template has already opened for me. This is one I want to use. I'm going to select it. So when I select it, there are so many things you can do here. You can actually choose a logo. This is a logo here. You can start to choose a logo, but we'll not do that here. Just click on skip and continue. So I'll show you how you can do that. So you can actually play with the color here. So when you click on these colors here, it's going to change. So basically, let's leave it with default color. Just come down here and click on continue. When you click on continue, you put in your name here, you put in your your email here. Then I'm going to select. So you can select beginning, intermediate. Basically, that's what. Just click on myself and my clients here, and just click on submit and build my website. So this is going to build your website for you. Just give it few minutes. It's going to install unnecessary plugins. So plugins are extra code that give your website some functionality. So you're not going to basically write any code. This code is going to be written for you. You just have to just tell it what to do, put some just basically just type and do something like that, drag and drop, and you'll be good to go. So our website is coming into form briefly, simply. So if I come here and I should refresh it, basically it's not yet complete yet. So it's still in 11%. You have to wait till it's in 100% before you can actually come here and refresh. So let me just refresh. When I refresh it, nothing really happened yet. It's because our website is still in 29. Okay, it's 26 actually. Is actually doing everything that is important for us there. So immediately become 100%, we'll go to our website and we'll see that our website has been created. So if you want to do anything, all you have to do just to do simple editing, just edit. So now it is in 80%, 90%, and it's doing some final finishes. So everything is now in 100%, and it's done. So our website is done. You can start to visit the website here, but here I'm just to come up here and exit back to dashboard. So in our website here, I can decide to refresh it, and you see that the magic has happened. Boom. See, this is our website. It has been created. The front end has been created with just a simple click, guys. So all you have to do, you can edit it, change the text to suit yourself, change the color, change the images, delete some things you do not need, leave things that you need. So we have done that. So that now that we have done with the front end, let us come to the backend, which is very important. So to get the backend, just come to plugin, click on add new. So we are going to use a free plugin known as WP School Press. WP School Press. So this is it. W School, just press school. Okay, WP School Press. Search for that, and this is going to come up for you. So just click on install. We're going to install this school management system. Is a free school management system, although they have some add-on that can give your portal an extra functionality. So click on it and also activate it. So when you have done this, this is going to make your website to have some portal, but when you come here, it's not going to happen until we put the link here where your visitors, your students, parents, teachers, anybody can click on and have access to it. So here is it here. When you come down here, you will see WP School Press, or you will see it here. You can click on settings here, WP School Press here. So okay, sorry, you're not allowed to access this page. Wow. So let me just click on back. All right, I don't know, something just happened there. So let me click on this WP School Press here, and I'm going to click on dashboard. So yep. So I'm clicking on dashboard. Automatically, this takes me straight to my dashboard. So here, I'm the one here because I'm the one that create the website. This is like the super admin. So if you're not creating this website, you are going to this is what you are going to see. So other people that are coming to your website, students, teachers, parents, they will have different dashboards. So you have to create their login details for them, give to them. When they log in, they won't see what you are saying. They will see what they are to see. So this is the dashboard here, and this dashboard you can actually add teachers, students, parents. So let me show you how you can add teachers. So I'm going to click on teachers here, and I'm going to add add some teachers. Just come up here, you can see create new. Click on create new. So when you click on create new, you can be able to create teachers. So you can select the picture of the teacher. So here, just say okay, let me just call this teacher Daniel. I'm going to call the name of the teacher Daniel, and the last name of the teacher, I'm going to call it my name. Okay, let me say I'm the teacher Aderobuye. Okay, so after I've done that, say you're going to select the date of birth of the teacher. Let's say the teacher was born this particular year. All right, so let me just put something here. Let me just select this. So this is not an issue, guys. So select the blood type. Let's say this is the teacher. Then you can select the phone number of the teacher. Then the qualification of the teacher. Let's say the teacher is BSc, whatever. Then the address of the teacher. Let me just put the teacher's address, the name city. Let me just call it city too. Country of the teacher. So we'll select Nigeria. Just look for Nigeria. The pin and that. Then click on next. So it's going to take you to the next place here. So here I'm going to put the login details of the teacher. So let me say this is the teacher email address. So you are allowed to put in a correct email address. Ask for the teacher's email address because the login details will be sent to the teachers to this email address. So this platform will send them the login details, or better still, just give them the login details here. So here I'm going to select the name of the teacher's username. I'm going to call it Daniel. I'm going to select the teacher, guys, put the teacher's password. So I'm just basically going to copy this and paste it back here and also paste it here. And here you can fill up all these places if you want to. That the day they join, let's say the child joined this day, the day they are to leave, maybe this day, then the position. Most of us put head teacher. So let's say this man is the head teacher. Then put his code, just fill up this, his working hours. Let me just say no, 5 working hour. Then we'll click on you can click on next or you can click on submit, and this is going to save the teacher. So this has saved the teacher. I'm just going to click on OK. So you can actually put in add other teachers in. So you can see that this teacher employment code that we have done that. The class in charge, you've not done that because we have not yet created a class. The student admin, we have not done that. So you can actually create more teachers and put that in. So now that I've created a teacher, to create another one, just click on add new. Just ensure that you are putting correct details because the teacher is the username and the password that you are creating for the teacher, and you give to the teacher that the teacher is going to use to log into their own portal. So let's come to the students. So I'm going to click on students here. You're going to add a student. To add a student is simple, guys. Just click on create new. You can see up here create new. So when you click on create new, you're going to put the student name. So let me call the student name Tops, and his username is last name. Let me call that Daniel. Right, Daniel. So I'm going to select the date of birth of the student, his blood group. Just if it asks phone number, you put does not phone number, I leave it. Then come here, you put the address. So anytime you see this kind of star up here, 6 star, it means it's compulsory. So if it's not 6 star, leave it the way it is. So I'm going to put same as above. Click on next here. Then here I'm going to put in the login, the students, student login. Let me just call this on student at Gmail. So gmail.com. The student is also going to get their own. So let me put this Tops Daniel. Let me call that Tops Daniel. All right. So the name of the student is Top Daniel. So his username is Top Daniel. So I'm going to paste this here, paste it here. So I'm done. I'm through that. You can click on next, but you have to put the roll number of the student. So this is my first student. I'm going to put 01. So we've not created a class yet. So you can just do this and click on submit. So you now have successfully be able to create a student. So you want to create more students, do the same thing. You come up here, click on create student, and you are good to go. Now that I've created student, I want to give this student a parent. So you can just click on this particular icon here. So because if you come to this left side here and you click on parent, you need to add up the parent. So let's say, for example, you want to add parent, click on create new. It's still going to bring you back to the student tab. Bring it back to the student tab. So let's come to students here and create a parent. So let me just come here and click on students. Let me click on students and let me edit this student. Just you see this pencil icon here, edit it. Here you can see the parent details. So this is the details of the student and this is the parent. So I'm going to go to I call the name of the name of the parent, mommy. So I put mommy. So let's say mommy Tops, mommy Tops. Then put the email address of the parent here. Just put the email address. Then the username of the parent, because the parent also be able to log into their own dashboard. So this portal has it has parent dashboard, student dashboard, teacher dashboard, and you the sub admin dashboard. So just do that. So let me just do this. So this for them to log in, you give them the email you are giving to them. Although they will send an email to them. So you also give them their username and their password. So I'm just going to do this very fast. Then when I'm done with that, let me just select this, then click on next, and this is going to save and automatically the students now have a parent. So you can see, okay, you can see that this is the student's name. Tops Daniel, this is mommy's name, so this is their street address. So this is how you can create students and parents. It's very easy. If you want to create a new person now, just click on create new and do that I've done. So guys, this is how you can do that. So let's come to class. Click on class here and click on classes. So let's create some classes. Here I'm going to create new. Click on create new, and then let's name the name of the class. I don't know, let's call it KG1, and the class number, let's call it that is KG101, and the class capacity, let's say you can fill up to 23 people. Then the class teacher, since you have already created just one teacher, if I've created many teachers, you can select the class teacher here. So when is the class starting? Let's say class is starting this date, and when is it ending? Let me just give it a little date. Then the class location, maybe upstairs, if you can just call that upstairs or wherever, and the school form is free. Just put free, although you want them to pay. You know how to do that, and they're going to pay. Then you click on submit. So with this, we are able to create a class. We have created a class. So you want to create more class, it's still the same thing you do. Click on create new and follow suit. So let's come to classes again. Click on this amber button now. You can see subject. Click on subject. So when you click on subject, you can actually create subjects for each class. So I'm going to click on create new, and I'm going to select the class. So since we only have one class, if you have more class, you can put one more class there. So the subject here, let's say maths. I'm going to put maths. The subject code, let's say maths is 001. Then the subject teachers, we only have one teacher automatically there. So let's say they're going to use essential. I don't know what they use in KG. Let's say essential maths. Just write essential maths, and you can fill up everything like that. So I'm going to click on submit, and I'm good to go. So now we have created a subject. I actually just created for one, so you can edit, order, and create. Click on create new and that. So you come to class again. You can actually create subject field. You can create mark for each subject. You can create time. If it's time for examination, you can create examination. So you can also create timetable. So it's very simple. Just click on it and open it and follow suit. So now let's come to attendance. You can click on attendance and you can see student attendance. So you as the admin, you will see this. So when you click on KG1, so this is going to be the KG1 attendance. When students come in, they're going to mark attendance. They'll log into the dashboard and mark attendance, and you'll be seeing it here as a super admin. Also, teachers are also going to see it. So I hope you understand that. So guys, that's attendance. So if you teacher attendance, you as a sub admin, teachers should also come in and you can be able to view all teachers attendance. So let's come to event. Click on events here, and you can actually create an event. Let's say on the 12th of April, I want to create, okay, I think 12th of April has passed. Let's say on the 30th of April, I want to create, and it's going to start around, let's say 7 a.m. and it's going to end around, let's say 9 p.m. I don't know, 9 p.m. Wow. So let's say the title is game. I'm going to put the description, whatever, then types. Is it internal? If it's external, it's going to show to all. So if it's internal, only teacher is going to see it. So I'm going to say show to all and click on save. It means that both students, parents, teachers can see this calendar. So if I already show the calendar for only teachers alone, then you see that for teachers. Then if there's notification, you see notify, click on notification here, then you can click on create new. So if there's any notification, let's just say this notification is resumption. Just let's say it's resumption, for example, resumption, and who's going to be the receiver? You can put all. So if I put into everybody will see it. Yeah, if the receiver of this notification is student only is going to see it. If it's parent only, so you can send notification to only parents. Probably there's a PTA meeting, just select parent only. Let's say you want to select PTA meeting, parent only. Want to select all parents. Then how to notify them, just select email. Basically, you can't use SMS. You want to use SMS, you need to buy the SMS add-on. So then you're going to type what you want them to do here, notification, then you click on notify. So every of the parents are going to get notified in their email, and when they come to their dashboard, they will also see this. So transport too, you can actually create a transport like school bus, this and that. You put the school bus name here, the school bus number, the driver, then the driver's phone number. You just basically do all this and click on submit. So now this is how you can walk into the dashboard as the super admin. So if anybody wants to log in, for them to log in, you have to give them the email, the username, give them the email, the username, and the password you have created for them. From that one, they're able to log in into their dashboard. So, guys, this all everything I want to show you about the dashboard. I hope you understand this. If you don't understand, you can just let me know any part that you have any problem with. Ask in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer it. So let me just go back to our dashboard here. Now, when you come to your website here, there's no way anybody can log in. You have to create a way they can log in. Basically, either to log in, they will use the default login, and default login is not so good. So let us create a way they can log in. Come to plugin, click on add new. We're going to use a plugin to create a plugin. Just come here and search for login press. Search for login press. When you search for login press, then this first one, you can see login press WP/WP. It was created by WP Bridge Bridge. Click on install. So we want to click on install that, and also going to activate that. So this is going to be super cool, guys. So I'm going to install that and also click on activate. So this is going to give us the ability to create a custom login page. We're going to customize it to our own taste. So you can come here, you can see login press here. You can click on login press here, or you just this is where I saw the login. I hope you can see this. This is where my console is. Hope you can see my console. Then you can see, just allow and continue. I'm going to click on skip this step just to save time. So here I'm going to leave everything the way it is. So auto remember me, I'm going to enable that. So just leave that the way it is. So login order, username, or people can either log in username or they log in with their email. So I'll leave that way. Or if you wanted to use only that username, you do that. So here, leave the way okay, these two okay. Then just click on save changes. So with this, I've already just set a little setting to add changes. So just come to customizer. Let us customize our login. This is how our login is going to look like. So default, when you click on customizer, I want to customize only the login now. So guys, let's see how this is going to come out. So now this is how it looks like. So for you to do anything, let's say you want to change the logo to your own school logo, you click on this. You can see this pencil on this logo. Then you will click on select logo. It's going to go to your phone like this. Let's say, for example, I want to use, let me see that this is the logo. I want to use our school logo. Select it, and this one is going to change. It's going to change now. So and if you want to use logo, just click on disable logo, and disable logos will go up. But I want to use logo, I want to select that. Then you can put do anything you want to do. Let me just click on publish. So after you've done that, so this logo is going to change since we have changed it, don't worry. So click on back. If you want to change the background, this particular background here, you can see this thing here, change background. Click on change background, then you can select picture, or if you have your own picture, you can put it there, or you can put video in the background if you want to. All right, guys, so let me just say I want to select another picture, maybe this particular one, or this one. I want to use this one. Then that's what you need to do. This lots of forget the password. You can change the name to anything you want to do. So you can change this color, this particular color here if you want color. So this login something here, you want to change the color, you can change the color. So I'm going to leave that the way it is. Just show you can change the background, and you can also change the logo. So we have successfully changed the logo. Just click on publish, and after I click on publish, we are done with that. Just click on this cancel up here, and that is going to cancel. So guys, we have successfully created our login. These are these are your students can log in. So now how can we create the login page? So when you check this menu here, there's no way they can log in. So let's put a login page in this menu here. So I'm going to come here and just come to appearance. Where's appearance here? You see menus. You can click on appearance or just see menu. So when I click on appearance, I'm going to see menu here. Then click on menu. Now, for them to log in into their dashboard, it's going to be your URL/login. So it's URL/login. Let me just copy that. Click on copy. Then come to here. I'm going to select the a menu to edit. So I'm going to select primary menu. Click on select there. I hope you are getting what I'm doing here. So this is the primary menu. So I'm going to come to custom nick. My URL, I will paste that. So it will be your domain/login. Then here I'm just going to put login or log into your portal or portal login, anything. So let me just call it portal login. So you can call it anything. So portal login, I'm going to click on add to menu. So when I click on add to menu, this is going to open up for me here. I can decide to drag it up if I want to. Let me just leave it the way it is. I'm going to click on save menu. So it means, so when I click on save menu, see what is going to happen. Now there's no login there, but I should just refresh this. the login is going to happen. So you can see portal login. So people can just click on this. So if I should click on this, for example, it's going to take me, so the logo has appeared, it's going to take me to where they can log in. So if I've given the teachers their username and password, they put it here, put that and click on login, and you take them to their own dashboard, straight to their dashboard. So guys, that's how you can do that. So now let me show you how you can actually edit this. So this is a page here. For you to edit, if you want to change anything, it's simple. Just come here and click with up here, edit with Elementor. So with this, you can change anything you want to change. You can leave anything you want to leave. This is super, super cool and super, super amazing, guys. This is going to open up for you. I hope you are getting value in this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are getting value. If you have any question, ask. You can join the community and you ask. I'll be glad to answer you as much as I can. So guys, I'm just going to leave this. So now this is what our WordPress is going to do. We're using WordPress here to just edit and change it. So you want to change anything, you see this pencil icon, you see anything you want to do. Let's say, for example, I want to change this a safe and joyful place. Just click on this pencil icon. So you'll see the text here. You can change it. So you can change it to anything. So let me just say I want to change it to when I'm just typing, it's going to appear. So guys, it's going to appear. Let me just leave it the way it is back. So anything you want to change, it's simple like that. Just click on it and change. If you want to change this image, I click on the image, put in my own image. So let's say, for example, I want to put in another image. So let's say I want to use this image or any image. Just I want to use this one or probably this one. Just click on select and the image is going to change. So you can see it has changed. That's how you can change any image. This logo, this login, you can change. Just select it and just walk through the side there. Just change it. Want to change. So let's say I want to change this particular phone number. I'm going to click on it, then you can see title here. So I'm going to change it, just change it. So let me change it to this number. Okay. I'm just going to change it to this particular number. So this is how you can actually edit. Now, this particular place here, this is the hero section, the top section. You can edit the whole, because all this is in a column. So when you look up here, you see plus, you see like 6 dots and cancel. So you can click on the 6 dots there. So you're going to see the column. This is the column. So you want to change the background stuff there. You click on this stuff here. Then come to style. Click on style. You're going to see it here. So this is how the background looks like. So you can change the picture color if you want to change, but I don't think I want to change that. Okay, I don't think so. I'm just going to cancel that. So this is how you can do anything you want to do. Want to change anything, just do that. Change the text, no more about us. So this no more about us here, you can click on it, you can change it. Now this no more about us here, it does not currently have a link. They put asterisk, so you can actually change it to, let's see, maybe change it to, let's see, this place no more like about us page. So you can also click, so about us page, when you go straight to your dashboard, you're going to see the page known as about us. So this pages here. So you click on all pages here. I just want to show you, you can see about this about. So you can just what can you do? You can just open it up, or better say click on view. So instead of clicking on view, I'm going to just leave my console on this view and right click and see copy link address. So I'm going to come back to where I'm editing here. So about us here should take us to about us. So I'll click on this, then this link here, I will paste it there. I'm going to click on update. So when you do any changes, please ensure you click on update, because if you do any change, you do not click on update, it's not going to show. So let's say you want to add something down, want to add a block, maybe frequently asked question or anything you want to add. So let's say I want to add frequently asked question here. Just click on this plus. You can add it anywhere you want to add it. So you can click on this plus here and it's going to show here. Just click on this plus here and click on, so this is one, I only want to use one column. Then I'm going to click on plus here. But what I want to do is that I want to add a frequency. When I click on this plus, so you will see this middle one here. It's like a folder, or you can use this. So let me just click on this. If I click on this folder, you will see this block here. So what I want to add is just block about us. So you can search for it if you want to. So let me just have frequently asked question. So let me use frequently asked question. Let's look for a very simple one. So let's use this one. Just click on it and you click on Start. So when you click on Start, connect to this. It's going to walk you through another step for you to just create an account, do this and that. So guys, this just going to do this. You can just do this very briefly. Let me just log in with my email. Then click on okay. Click on continue. So I've already signed into Elementor. So I'm going to click on connect. So click on connect, guys. It's very simple. So it will take you back here. So now you can now actually insert that particular blog into your website. So this is how you can insert something new into your website. So this is it. It has been just frequently asked questions. You can just edit them if you want to. Let's say I want to edit this one. I'll click on this pencil icon and I'm going to see it here. So how do you want to edit? I'm going to click on, because this is like um, a button, so I can change the text here and do everything I want to do. So when people come and click on it, it's going to open. So that is, you can take that away if you want to do, just cancel the old stuff. So when you do that, just click on update. So this is how you can actually edit your website yourself. I think this is super cool, guys. So if you want me to create this website, this front page, the whole is being created, do everything for you, you can just comment. I'll be glad to do that. But to save time, I try to use this template so that we can go very fast. So guys, I'm going to end this video here. So if you have gotten any value in this video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share with your friends and family. And of course, if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section below. You can join the community on both WhatsApp and Instagram. So guys, so this is how you can do. So if you want to edit any other pages too, see the same way you can be able to edit it. You can just come, like, want to edit it. Okay, you want to edit the contact, or you can just click on edit Elementor and you can do that. So guys, when you are through with that, there's one thing now I think is important I show you before you go, is how to make your website to be live on Google, because your website is going to be live on Google like this. You need to submit it to Google. So you can just come to plugin here, click on add new. So when you come to plugin and click on add new here, we are going to put in a Google plugin here. So I'm going to click on here, just press Google, basically search for Google. So yeah, since I'm making it to be on Google, just press on Google. Then you see this site kit by Google. That's what I'm going to use. Just click on install. So when you click on install, there's another one you're going to put, we call that one SEO. It's an SEO plugin. It's going to help your website to also rank and appear. So basically this one, you have to click on install and click on activate. So then this is going to walk me through something very fast. So I'm just, congratulations, just click on setup, set it up very fast. So with this, you can submit your website to Google, and it's going to be visible on Google. So this is going to check compatibility and this and that. So I'm going to click on this. Okay, click on this. Click on sign in with Google. So this is going to just sign in with Google. You don't need to do anything. Just basically follow the prompt. So I'm going to sign in using one of my accounts here. Then click on continue. Okay, I think I need to show you this part so that your website can be live. Then click on verify. So this Google is going to verify your ownership and submit it to do even Google search itself, so that it's going to be visible on Google. It's not as if it's going to be visible on Google immediately. It can take like 2 days, 3 days, 1 week for it to be visible on Google, but it's going to be visible on Google. You can get that. So I'm going to click on allow. So click on allow. Click on setup. So this is just basically all you have to do. Click on next. And when you are through with the whole setup, Google will tell you that it's successful and you'll be brought back to your dashboard here. So here we are being brought back to our dashboard. So guys, this is cool. So now the next thing the last thing I want to show you is settings. So click on settings, click on general, and click on general. So you need to change this. So your site name should be the name of your school. So let's call the name of my school, and I'm going to call the title best college best college in Nigeria. Just anything you want to change, you call it to best college in Nigeria. Then I'm going to come here and click on save changes. So guys, this is going to be the end of this particular video. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any